Teeran Factory Wired, our pick for best budget wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. Ready to ditch the tangled cords in your car? The Teeran Wireless CarPlay Adapter makes it happen effortlessly. This nifty gadget allows you to convert your wired CarPlay to wireless so you can enjoy seamless access to navigation, music, Siri, and calls without the hassle of plugging in cables each time you hop in your vehicle. Setup couldn't be simpler, just 3 steps get you connected, and after that initial pairing, the adapter automatically activates with each drive. This convenience is a game changer for anyone who uses CarPlay regularly. Compatibility is another strong suit. The adapter works with nearly all factory-installed CarPlay systems and many aftermarket versions too. So no worries about compatibility issues with your car model. It supports iPhones from the 6 onward with iOS 10 and above, making it versatile for most users. What really stands out is its sleek and compact design. It fits easily in your bag or glove compartment without taking up much space. Plus, the inclusion of a USB to USB-C adapter means you can use it in various cars effortlessly. On the downside, setup can require some patience, as connections may occasionally need re-establishing. However, once you're up and running, it's virtually worry-free. This product truly shines in its ease of use and wide-ranging compatibility. Explore the freedom of wireless CarPlay today.